boy found an injured bird in his backyard. He gently picked it up, nursed it back to health, and fed it daily. When the bird was strong enough, he opened the cage. "Fly free," he said, smiling, expecting it to soar away. But the bird didn't move. Day after day, he tried to set it free, but it always stayed. Frustrated, he asked, "Why won't you leave?" The bird chirped softly as if answering, and flew to his shoulder. In that moment, he realized, freedom isn't always leaving. Sometimes, it's choosing to stay where love is. Please like and subscribe for more.